Here's how to enable caller ID on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the settings. We can both change the caller ID name and choose to enable it so that whenever you call somebody with an iPhone or an Android, it will pop up with your name. To be able to do that, we need to scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and then we need to scroll down until we find the section for phone and tap on that. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is setting up what your caller ID name will be. This is a bit different whether you're going to call an iPhone or somebody else with an Android or a landline. Let's tap on share name and photo, and you can see if I scroll down, it says name and photo sharing, and then first name on here, you'll be able to see I can just enter in Trevor. And then of course, for last name, my last name is Nace. However, keep in mind, this only works with another iPhone. If you wanted to set up that caller ID for calling Android phones, unfortunately, you need to contact your carrier like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and set up that caller ID name with them. Now let's enable it on your iPhone. Let's just hit the check mark by scrolling down to the bottom, and you should be able to see caller ID. Where is caller ID? I might have missed it. There it is. Show my caller ID. If that is turned off, just toggle this on. And now whenever you make a call, it will pop up with your name and they'll be able to see who is calling.